Welcome to the official setup and use guide for your myColorado Mobile Driver License, or mDL. This video will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. You can pause the video at any time to read the information provided.
In this guide, we will cover key identity terms, the provisioning process, how to use your mDL, viewing your activity history, managing your mDL, and some helpful troubleshooting tips.
Before you begin, it is helpful to understand a few key terms. The mDL holder is you, the registered owner. The issuing authority is the DMV, and the verifier is the organization checking your credentials. Provisioning your mobile driver license involves a few secure steps to ensure your identity is verified safely. Step 1 is preparing your physical ID scan. Use a dark background to help your phone's camera detect the card outline, keep your phone flat, and be ready to scan both the front and back of the card.
Step 2 is selfie verification. For the best results, stand in front of a plain white wall with plenty of natural light and avoid shadows across your face. You should remove any hats, and you may need to remove glasses if you're having trouble. Step 3 is DMV review and approval. Once your ID scan and selfie are sent to the DMV, all you need to do is wait for approval. If there are any problems or delays, you will see a screen with more information in the app. After your mDL is approved, you'll be prompted to enable Bluetooth for sharing and can choose to track your activity history. Now that your mDL is ready, let's look at how to use it. We'll use a TSA checkpoint as our example. First, open your myColorado app, select your mDL, and tap the button to present your QR code for the verifier to scan. Next, review the data request on your screen. You will see exactly what the verifier is asking for. If you decline, you may need to present your physical ID. Finally, approve the request with a single tap. Your information is securely transmitted to the verifier.
To summarize the TSA experience, display your QR code, keep your phone in your possession, allow the scan, review the request, tap to approve, and clear security. The app also features an activity history, which allows you to keep track of when and where you have shared your information. Your sharing history is stored securely on your phone and is for your eyes only. It is never sent to the DMV or other agencies. You have full control over your records. You can delete entries, export your history for your own files, or toggle the tracking feature off at any time. Managing your mDL is straightforward. For security, your mDL can only be active on a single device and account at a time, so please ensure you follow these steps if you change phones. If you upgrade to a new phone, you will need to complete the setup process again. Because of security policies, you need to remove the mDL from your old device first to ensure the new one can be approved. To remove your mobile driver's license, simply select it in the app. Tap the information icon, scroll to the bottom, and select Delete mDL to securely wipe it from your device. If you encounter any issues with your mDL, our troubleshooting section is here to help you get back on track quickly. If you hit a roadblock when adding your mDL, reach out to the DMV for assistance. If you accidentally delete the app before deleting your mDL, the DMV can also help you cancel the existing record so you can start fresh. Thank you for watching this guide. If you have further questions or need additional support, please visit our official myColorado resources or reach out to us at mycolorado.gov/customer-support. Thank you.